Hey everyone, today I would like to discuss with you the standards of fasteners for vehicles. There are many different types of fasteners used throughout the vehicle. The most common are threaded fasteners, including bolts, studs, screws, and nuts. When servicing automotive components, the fasteners must be inspected for thread damage, fillet damage, and stretch before they can be reused. In addition, many threaded fasteners are not designed for reuse, and the service manual should be referenced for the manufacturer's recommendations. If a threaded fastener requires replacement, select a fastener the same diameter, thread pitch, strength, and length as the original. All bolts in the same connection must be of the same grade. Use nut grades that match the respective bolts, and use the correct washers and pins as originally equipped. Torque the fasteners to the specified value and use torque to yield bolts where specified. Threaded fasteners used in automotive applications are classified by the Unified National Series using four basic categories: the Unified National Course, UNC, or NC National Course; the Unified National Fine, UNF, or NF National Fine; the Unified National Extra Fine, UNEF, or NEF National Extra Fine; and Unified National Pipe Thread, UNPT, or NPT National Pipe Thread. In recent years, the automotive industry has switched to the use of metric fasteners. Metric threads are classified as coarse or fine, as denoted by an SI, Standard International, or ISO lettering. The most common type of threaded fasteners used on the vehicle is the bolt. To understand proper selection of a fastener, terminology must be defined. The head of the bolt is used to torque the fastener. Several head designs are used, including hex, torques, slot, and spline. Bolt diameter is the measure across the threaded area or shank. The pitch in the USCS or US customary system is the number of threads per inch. In a metric system, thread pitch is a measure of the distance in millimeters between two adjacent threads. Bolt length is the distance from the bottom of the head to the end of the bolt. The bolt grade denotes its strength and is used to designate the amount of stress the bolt can withstand. The grade of the bolt depends upon the material it is constructed from, bolt diameter, and thread depth. Grade marks are placed on the top of the head in the USCS, US customary system, to identify the bolt strength. In the metric system, the strength of the bolt is identified by a property class number on the head. The larger the property class number, the greater the tensile strength of the fastener. Thread depth is the height of the thread from its base to the top of its peak. Like bolts, nuts are graded according to their tensile strength. As discussed, the nut grade must be matched to the bolt grade. The strength of the connection is only as strong as the lowest grade used. For example, if a grade 8 bolt is used with a grade 5 nut, the connection is only a grade 5. Proper torque or the proper fastener is important to prevent thread damage and to provide the correct clamping forces. The service manual provides the manufacturer's recommended torque value and tightening sequence for most fasteners used in the engine or other components. The amount of torque a fastener can withstand is based on its tensile strength. So in order to obtain proper torque, the fastener's threads must be cleaned and may require light lubrication. This is it for now, and thank you for watching.